Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your WordPress username. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, it's actually showing us you cannot change your WordPress username. So if you want to change your WordPress username, we simply click on what? Plugins. After which you click on what? Add new. So guys, we are going to be using this free plugin called Easy Username Update. So this is a plugin here, you simply need to install it. So once installation is complete, you simply activate it. So after which you click on users. After that you click on users update. So guys, once you're here, you simply click on what? Update. So you simply need to insert your new WordPress username here. Okay, let's say elect TV. So after which you click on what? Update username. So once you update your username, as you can see here, username update, you go back. After which you insert your new WordPress username. After that, you simply click on what? Login. So guys, as you can see, we just successfully changed our WordPress username. So let's go and verify. Click on profile. We'll scroll down. As you can see, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next video. Peace out.